Hello crafty friends, welcome to another card ideas video. Today I've pulled 4 pieces of mixed media paper out of my trash or treasure box and I have taped them together on the reverse so I can use them as one piece of paper, which I'll separate later. And to start with, I'm going to put some masking tape down on my pieces of paper. And I'm tearing the masking tape to give it some nice raggedy edges. I'll give that a good firm press down to make sure it's well and truly adhered. And I'm going to start by blending some abandoned coral distress oxide along the top. Now for some spice marmalade over that abandoned coral and over the edge of the masking tape. And I'll just smooth out that blend with the abandoned coral brush. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the spice marmalade below. Now for a bit of scattered straw, which is a nice warm yellow. Now for a nice minty green. This is cracked pistachio. Try and blend that into the scattered straw. I'll add a bit more scattered straw to smooth out that blend. And for a blue, I'm going to go with tumbled glass all the way down to the bottom. And at the bottom, a little bit of shaded lilac. So we've got a nice rainbow there. And now to add some shimmer and shine, I'm going to spat on some metallic watercolour. Just going to do gold, I think. And I'm going to give that a really thorough dry with my hairdryer. Now that's dry and the adhesive is softened on the masking tape, I can peel that off. And we can also take the washi tape off the back. Now I've got 4 rainbow panels with the perfect place to stamp a sentiment. So I'm going to use my stamp positioner to stamp the sentiments, and I'm going to use stamps that have just capital letters on. I'm using VersaFine Onyx black ink because it's a very reliable black ink that gives you nice crisp clean impressions. So this one says thank you and I've stamped it in the middle. The first one that said love you I stamped to the left. This one says with love and it's off to the right. And this one says on your special day and it stretches more or less all the way across the panel. I've put all my panels on smooth white card blanks and I'm really pleased with them. I like the nice chunky border. I don't mind the white here and the cream here. I think it looks okay. And I like the bold sentiment. But I'm thinking I need a little bit of embellishment. So I've got a star punch and some gold glitter cardstock. Just wondering about adding a gold glitter star either side of the thank you. I'm thinking it's a bit pale, might be a bit lost, so I'm going to punch some black glitter stars. I quite like that, but I'm thinking I prefer that, having a bit of a diagonal there. Now I'm wondering about more of a constellation. I think I like this arrangement. So I'm going to stick these down with a bit of matte medium. Yep, happy with that. I like a little constellation of stars. And the black draws the eye to this area. For this love you card, I've gone with hearts. So I've used some heart punches and I've got some black glitter hearts now. Okay, happy with that. And I'll use the rest of the hearts on this one. Yep, happy with that one too. For this one, there's not an awful lot of room, so I've cut some small flowers using a die, and I'm going to create a couple of clusters, one at either end of the sentiment. And for my flower centres, I'm going to add a tiny little drop of pale gold Nouveau drops. And that should tie in with the gold splatters. And that's those 4 panels used up. Really pleased with the way these have turned out. I do love a rainbow. I like my bright colours with black as a contrasting colour, and I am a bit of a sucker for a torn edge. And of course we've got shimmer and shine and plenty of energy and movement. Right, thanks for watching today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope it's given you a few ideas, and I hope to see you back here very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.